see going from the DB11, a real kind of heavy car that you kind of got to manhandle a little bit. Now you don't have to do any of that stuff here. You ask it, she does it, no question. That's it. It's a super nasty car. I love this thing, and you're going to see, man, you know, driving the DB11 to the Performante, you're going to forget about the DB11. You'll never think about it again. All right, let's go ahead and shift up first gear. Excellent job. Parking brake's been released. She's in your hands.
JT, do you have a copy?
You're clear to the right with a little bit of light gas for me.
The customer wants to know if I can warm up the tires in the GT3 before he goes out. In the GT3 street car? Yeah. No, it was out in the last room.
Shift up second gear. Good job. Nice, nice, nice. Perfect. Good job. Looking good, brother. Looking good. The sound of this thing is incredible.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
How's the track different from the other one?
From the outside track?
Yeah.
Totally different.
This better?
It's actually slower, but it's longer. It's a lot more technical, where this is faster and easier. Yeah. Yep, you're clear. Track is clear to the rear. Yep, perfect. You're still clear. Start increasing. Good. A little more gas, Mr. Brock. You got it, brother. Right side, turn 2. Shift down third gear. Shift down. There you go. Roll the gas back on. Accelerate out left. A little bit of brake so you can feel them out. Off brake soft. Tight right, turn 3. Roll the gas back on. Stay tight right and increase that speed. Good. No gas, no brake. Nice, easy left, turn 4. Good. Light acceleration. You can roll the gas on. Nice, easy, tight right, turn 5. Now, very gently accelerate out left. 40%, 60, 80, 100% to the right. I'll let you know when to shift. Shift down third. Off brake, left turn. Roll the gas back on, Brock, and increase. Stay a little more left. Left. Gas now. Now accelerate through. Turn to the right. Sorry. No problem, no problem. Brake now. Shift down third. Off brake. Carry the speed. Roll the gas on. And accelerate. A little more. A little tighter to the right. A little more gas. 40%, 60, 80. Good. 100. Shift. Shift. Hard brakes now. Harder. Shift down. Shift down. Start releasing as you turn tight left. Good. Now you can roll the gas back on. Good job, man. Come back tight right, turn 2, and roll the gas back on. Start accelerating softly. Yep, progress with her. Good. Yep, feel her out. Good. A little more gas. Yes, sir. Good. All the way left. Brake now firm. Off brake soft. Tight right, turn in. Light gas. Stay right. Well done. No gas, no brake. Nice, easy, tight left. Carry the speed in. Good. Light acceleration. Nice, easy, tight right turn. Start to roll the gas on. 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. Good. Brake now smooth. Off brake soft. Tight left turn. Roll the gas back on. Stay center and increase. Great job. Accelerate through. Hard brakes now. Shift down third. Off brake soft. Carry the speed. Roll the gas down. Good, Brock. A little tighter. A little more gas. 40, 60, 80. Good. 100. Shift up. Shift up. Hard brakes now. Harder. Shift down. Shift down. Softly start releasing. Tight left turn. Roll the gas back on. Stay center. Back into turn 2. Tight right turn in. Start increasing softly with her. Progress. Good. Yep. Keep accelerating softly as you turn. There you go. Nice. All the way left. Hard brakes now. Get on them. Harder. Off soft as you turn. Tight right. Roll the gas, Brock. Stay right. No gas, no brake. Tight left turn in. Roll the gas on. Nice and smooth. Start progressing. Come back tight right inside. Good. Now start accelerating. 40, 60, 80, 100. Good. Shift up. Brake now. Off brake. Tight left turn. Maintain left side. Back to the gas. Good. Tight right to curb. Tight. Hey. Brake down. Shift down third. Off soft. Carry the speed in. Start to roll the gas now. Good. Yep. Keep accelerating. Yep. 100. Shift up. Shift up. Hard brakes now. Harder. Shift down. Shift down. Off soft. Tight left turn. Start to roll the gas. Stay center. Good job, man. Come back tight right. Carry the speed. Start to roll the gas progressive. Nice and smooth. Yes, sir. Good. Keep accelerating softly. You got it, Brock. Nice, man. Come out left. Hard brakes now. Off soft. Tight right. Turn in. Roll the gas. Stay right. Good. No gas. Carry the speed. Good. Easy left. Light acceleration. Good. Nice. Easy. Tight right. And very softly accelerate out left. 100%. Come back right. Brake now. Off soft. Carry the speed. Start to roll the gas. Much better, Brock. Good. Tight right. Be patient. Good. Hard brakes. Shift down third. Off brake. Carry the speed. Roll the gas. Good catch, man. A little more gas now. Tight right. Yep. More. and increase soft, straight ahead. Good, no gas, carry the speed in, light acceleration, start progressing softly, good, yep, you got it. Nice and smooth, yep, good. Brake now firm, off soft, carry the speed, roll the gas, stay right. Good, no gas, easy left, turn in, light acceleration, it helps to stabilize, yep, just like that. Bring her back tight, now don't kill the corner, roll it on, 100 now, go. Brake now, off soft, tight left, roll the gas, good, nice and smooth, be patient here, be patient, good. Brake now, shift down third, take it nice and easy, round number 2 is complete, right between the orange cones, shift down second.
That's completely different, isn't it?
I told you, bro. Dude, nice job, man. How'd you like her, bro?
Yeah. Well, a dream car, right?
I told you, I told you, man. I told you.
That's just crazy. The sound and everything is just packaged, really.
It's a perfect car.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But like I said, it's perfect for the track.
Yeah.
Would you want to drive this every day? Fuck no. Not even close. You'd be pissing blood like literally every time you drive it. You know what I mean? I've driven this on the street before.
Yeah.
It's like the brakes are loud, the car's uncomfortable, the ride quality is terrible. You know what I mean? It's not meant to be driven on the road. You know, a lot of people do it, but it's like
Quite a few on the strip last night for SEMA.
Well, for SEMA, exactly. Yeah. Keep going straight ahead. Yep. Perfect. Yeah, it's a great platform. I mean, the whole car is it's incredible. That's what I love about this thing. It's such a badass car,
It's just
man.
mental.
It is. It's like next level. It's savage. Tight right turn in. Get perfect. Straighten her up. 3, 2, 1. Bring her to a stop. Sit tight. Boom. Thanks, bro.
Thank you, man.
Of
That's
course,
awesome.
dude. Yeah, my pleasure, man. Well done.